Welcome to the Duo Downstream. Today we'll be camping and exploring the White Mountains in New Hampshire. Sightsee tons of giant peaks and explore frozen mountain lakes, as well as multiple waterfalls and medieval looking dams. Let's go ahead and start this journey. We arrived to our site at dark and set up camp. We have to set up fire quick before we freeze to death. The temperatures will drop to 20 degrees Fahrenheit tonight. That's cold. We threw in some fire color changer we picked up at Walmart on the way.
I like these, they're pretty good.
We got some kielbasa and corn dogs for dinner tonight.
We got the food.
After some full tummies, we decided to call it a night. It snowed overnight and into the morning. This was our first real snowfall of the season. Every other drink froze outside but the orange juice.
Our warm spot.
It's time to take a nice drive and explore some winter mountain peaks.
Yeah. Wow, dude.
This is Canyon Mountain. You can take a tramway to the top during on-season. We stopped at Echo Lake for a beautiful view.
Cold plunge time. Ready?
Yeah.
You gotta slide down. Look at that. That's crazy. Woo! That actually hurt. That actually hurt.
Oh!
clear, clear waters. This is the famous part.
So big. Yo, how did they get back?
This is the Basin, the main attraction for this trail. It was formed after the Ice Age. We arrived at Campton Falls. There's an abandoned gold mine here, but it never produced any gold. Here are some clips from last summer when we explored it.
Yeah, like when I stepped in a puddle too, that way.
Dude, it's huge. I don't think my camera recorder is bright enough.
Oh my god, bro, what? How far does this game go?
After the falls, we decided to make one last stop to check out a dam.
Imagine that's just your house.
I see a villain living there.
You got like a drawbridge too, like that bridge like goes up and down. Ready for the apocalypse.
This is where Doofus first ran off the high
Yeah.
with Bin Laden
Yeah.
and Hitler.
I see it. That's terrible.
That's it for our winter White Mountain adventure. We camped out in frigid temps, saw lots of snowy peaks, and explored an old dam. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a subscribe, and thank you for watching.